So the Epos Impact 1060 as a work headset sounds great. Clear audio for whoever's on the other end, and my favorite part, the drivers give me solid, full, clear sound. And honestly, it's good enough to tempt you to sneak in some music or some content. But if I'm being real, the biggest long-term complaint that I have comes down to the ear cushions. They're soft, but they're also small. And over time, that smaller form factor starts pressing on your ear in a tight area. Now, if you've got sensitive ears, this can become a problem, especially during extended use. So here's a better solution. These are over-ear cushions for the Epos Impact 800 and 1000 series headsets. We've got two options here, fabric and leatherette. So what's the difference? First, they're bigger. These sit around your ears instead of pressing on them. That alone gives you a more comfortable fit, and you'll also notice less audio bleed in and out of the headset. So let me show you how to set this up. You simply just pull these off. And we'll start with the leatherette first, nice and big. Notice this, how it fully covers my ear and there's a good amount of cushion overall. It just feels, yeah, more supportive. I definitely like the feel of the leatherette cushions, not on my ear, but on the side of my head. Okay, let's switch to the fabric. And now for the fabric, I like how this feels on my hand. And definitely on my skin, it feels a lot softer. Definitely not as cool to the touch as the leatherette, but still comfortable. So in the end, which one would you choose? Honestly, it's up to you. This doesn't change the functionality of your headset at all. This is purely about comfort and support. Which one do I prefer? Well, personally, I lean toward the leatherette because it feels cooler on my skin. But the fabric, it does feel smoother overall. Now, keep this in mind. Ear cushions are usually the first thing that wear out. So having a 1-year warranty, that's clutch, especially if you're using these daily. So what do you think? Ready to upgrade your headset? As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own. Hey guys, do me a favor, you like this video, leave a like. If you love it, subscribe and ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. See you next one. Take care. Bye.